Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you know what this means. Sneak peek time from Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. So to cut down a little bit on the crinkle, I just took this beautiful unrolled, fresh out of the box canvas out of its protective device. We're going to put that aside. So in our box, we see right away that this is a square painting. Love how Diamond Art Club is continuing to keep their boxes well informed to us as a community. This sneak peek is Wine at Sunset by Dona Gelsinger. I have unboxed her before, so I'm going to put a little eye up here. You can go check her out. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Love it. So this is a square 27.6 by 36.6, which translates into a 70 centimeter by 93 centimeters. We're going to unbox this in just a second. Can't wait to see it. Okay, so what are you going to get inside that beautiful box? You are going to get a sticker. Like we said, this is Wine at Sunset by Dona Gelsinger. And it's square. How gorgeous is that? You're also going to get a toolkit. Inside the toolkit, everything you're going to get is on the back. You're going to get an applicator, a comfort grip, heart-shaped wax container, craft tray, and the list goes on. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, there's nothing left. Here is the baggies. I love that they give you enough baggies for the amount of colors that you're going to get. We have a blue sparkle pen with a matching blue squishy that goes on. This is a single placer, which means it picks up one drill at a time. They give you 2 heart waxes inside here. Make sure you take off the plastic coating before you dip your applicator pen into the wax. Get a random washi tape color. Get 2 multi-placers, a 7 and a 4. Love that you can stick it right here on the end of your pen, and now you have a dual purpose pen. You also get your tray with your stopper that you can take on and off. So when you shaky, you keep your drills in the tray until you want to put them in your baggie or in your kit up containers. And last but not least, they have the cover minder. What is a cover minder? It has 2 magnets. One is attached to something beautiful. One is on its own. You put the magnet on the back of your canvas. You put the pretty on the top. And it keeps your cover back as you diamond paint. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. I'm going to put these aside so you don't have to see me struggle and trying to get it back in the toolkit. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're gonna open this up right away. We see that we have serged on the sides all the way around 360. The serging is going to keep the fraying from affecting your canvas. I've yet to have a canvas fray from Diamond Art Club, but in case it becomes a little knotty, the serge is gonna help. Also, we see all of the social media as well as the lifelong guarantee in the bottom right corner. Over here, you're going to see the title, Wine at Sunset, the code that DAC gives it so that when you do separate, or if you do separate your drills from your canvas, you can match it back up with the canvas. We're going to see this code on the drills in just a minute. You're also going to see this pasting area. The pasting area is important mostly if it's a partial, because if it's 100% coverage, which is the drills go all the way to the end, it's going to just be like the thumbnail. If it is a partial, you'll see white behind where the drills will be, and then you know where the drills go. Right away as we unroll this, we're going to see the wonderful detail of the Adirondack chairs, the wine that we're going to be sitting and sipping, and the fireplace. I can't wait to see the power of the Diamond Art Club drills make that fire just pop. All right, I'm going to have to turn this sideways for a minute to get it completely unrolled on my desk. And the great vineyard is taking place. Look at those beautiful mountains. And then we have the lovely light bulbs. This is like the fad right now in my neighborhood. You can see on the back porches and everything, these wonderful rustic lights. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into this painting in just a minute. But how gorgeous does this look? Oh my Lanta. You've got 73 colors on this gorgeous piece. 73. And we're going to look at these stickers. Because it has over 67 colors, you're going to get 2 sticker packs. You're going to have this big sticker with the start and end date. It's going to tell you it's square, DAC. It's going to have all of your drill colors. We see right away there's one AB because anything below a 150 is an AB. That stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a coating on top of the drill that gives it a little extra shimmer and shine. I like to think of it as like a sequence. And then right here, you've got 3 special drills that start with a Z. That is your fairy dust. So we're going to look at that and where Diamond Art Club's hand charting artist put those lovely special drills. So you have 2 of these. How gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I drop dead gorgeous. Okay, I'm just looking. I'm looking at the beauty. So the wine has some of the AB, and then I believe the fire has some of the AB in it. And then as we scroll, that's all of where the AB is. So I think the rest of your pretties, you're gonna find throughout the grapes to give you a little pizzazz. This light color is going to be your purple fairy dust. And then you've got yellow, 2 types of yellow. One type is all in the sky. It's these, let's see here. It's these little guys right here, those little sideway carrots. That's all fairy dust. And then the line with the squiggly is in the sky as well, and also in the fire. So you're going to have some lines with the squiggly. So that's where it is. Everything else has your fantastic sparkle that you always get from DAC. Like I said, with the drills, this is Wine at Sunset, and it has the numbers on it. So we're going to crinkle for just a minute. There we go. I love the colors in this painting. Green is my favorite color. If you've been watching my channel at all, anything I get has green. It's absolutely gorgeous. So here's that dark hunter green. You can see right here in the squares right away that there is no trash. There's no little tags on the end. It looks like they really keep up with their die cuts to make sure that they are nice and sharp, so we get quality drills that really line up next to each other. Squares, it's especially important because they share walls, and so you need them to be able to line up right next to each other. All the fun of the trains. Again, 73 colors, people. They did not hold back. And if you notice, This past 6 months to a year, they've been getting up into the 6,000 colors, which is fabulous. There we go. All these beautiful greens. The depth of this painting is absolutely amazing. They did not hold back. Makes you just want to go get yourself a glass of wine and sit right in those chairs. Look at that 580. See, here's one of those 6,000s I was talking about. Really adds that extra color depth. A lot of 936s. Look, you have 1, 3, 10, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4 936s. All right, so now we're getting down to the detail colors. You can tell they're the detail colors because there's less in it, meaning that it's what gives you the extra detail. And here is your fairy dust. You can see that shimmer, that mica powder right on top. Absolutely gorgeous. Here is the ABs. You know, it's just in the fire and a little bit in the sky, so not a lot, but just enough to give you the power of Aurora Borealis. Look at that beautiful blue. Absolutely love it. Here's the other yellow, or one of the yellows. So gorgeous. And then here's the second yellow, the mica powder. And that's all your colors. Absolutely beautiful. You also get your thank you packet that tells you, if you're new, how to diamond paint, what's in your kit, a special thank you, a link to the VIP page. Absolutely gorgeous. So I love this. I want to go sit out and enjoy this beautiful landscape. Love the details in the stones. Love the details in the wood. The charting is phenomenal. One last thing, remember, you can see right here, Diamond Art Club has perforated plastic now, and it is poured glue, so it's going to stand the test of time. If you do struggle with the perforated plastic, just use your scissors right on that perforated line. It's going to cut like butter, and you won't have to worry. So thank you so much for watching this sneak peek. Let me know what you think of Wine at Sunset. Is this one that you're going to purchase this weekend? I absolutely think it's fabulous, and you should check it out with all the beautiful colors. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.